Hey guys, so loyalty cards and stamp cards can be a really good way to increase your business. So just go through the stamp card first of all. Let's say you've got 5 little things that you can stamp. I've seen these used really well with like barbers. They've been used really well with pubs. Um, Basically stamp cards are great. We've even used them with restaurants. So it's like you stamp 5 times, you get something free. Like with the barbers, it's usually a haircut. With like a pub, it's like if you're getting drinks and things like that. Like when you've spent say more than £5 on a drink, you get a stamp on there, and then afterwards you get a really nice cocktail or something given to you. It's not an expensive way to get people to just think, wow, this is great. And this is also good because it works with training the person's behavior, so they're more likely to consistently come back, because nobody wants 4 stamps on their 5 stamp card. They're going to think, oh, I've got to get that final stamp, so they'll come in that maybe that extra time, that time when you need to get people in. So it's really good to run something like a stamp card. Now loyalty card, it's kind of more complicated to set up, but you can actually get a system put in place relatively cheaply where people can just blip their card and they will get loyalty points. And this is really good because you can use it to price down items for people, or even if you've got like a customer loyalty card that is specific to your business, you can get it to take a percentage off the price, like 5%. You got like staff discount cards at 10%. You can sell a loyalty card, say for like £20, £30, something like that. People can come along and get that, and over time they'll get their money back. You can even give them away if you don't care about the risk of the original manufacturer of the cards. So when it comes down to it, it's a really good way to make sure that you've got people and they keep coming back. It's like Tesco's use a loyalty card, Co-op in the UK uses a loyalty card, loads and loads of different stores use them. They are really effective. So think about loyalty cards and stamp cards when you're running your business, and give them a shot. Anyway, catch you later.